Round 1, chain 62. Add wire along the chain, starting from the second chain from the hook. Work 60 single crochets. Work 3 single crochets in the next stitch. Now, 60 more single crochets down the other side. Slip stitch to join. Then chain 1. Round 2, slip stitch. Two incomplete single crochets. Chain 2. Slip stitch in the side of the second incomplete single crochet. Slip stitch in the next stitch. Repeat this pattern all the way to the tip. At the tip, work single crochet. Chain 2. Single crochet. Now for the other side, repeat our serrated edge pattern. Slip stitch. 2 incomplete single crochets. Chain 2. Slip stitch in the side of the second incomplete single crochet. Slip stitch in the next stitch. Keep going all the way to the end. Slip stitch to join. Start wrapping yarn from the bottom of the leaf to the end of the wire. Secure with a little glue at the bottom.